Tell Smart Miros to open the garage door. Tell Smart Miros to close the garage door. Today, I'll be installing a smart garage door opener. This is a garage that should look familiar to you. If you look back there, I did a video last fall about installing these. And I'll leave a link for that in the description, and you'll see a card come out at the top side here. The brand is Miros, M-E-R-O-S-S, Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener. Apparently you can use Google and Alexa and your cell phone to control your garage door going up and down. So at first it seems a little confusing, but I think it's simpler than what I'm making it out to be. This long wire here with this magnet on it. No, that's not magnet. This one's the magnet. Fix all these screws up. I believe this is a sensor that just tells you via your cell phone if the garage door is open or closed. And it comes with a power wire, another wire, and then this little box here. And we got to open up this little box and hook all this stuff up. Well, the first thing you have to do is download the app, and the instructions are in the phone app. It does come with this little piece of paper to kind of get an idea of what the names of all these things are when you're going through the instructions on the app. You got to pop this thing open and start hooking up wires. What's interesting is they don't tell you, so there's these little terminals in here. The wires go in, little flathead. This is where power goes in, and this is where the signal wire will go in there, but they don't say what color goes to which side. I think everything's done inside of here. We're just gonna see if we can get this thing pushed back together. So the next step on the app, just says power up your device. So hopefully I plug this in and we don't see flames or sparks coming out of this thing. This isn't my ladder. We had a light blinking. Wait about 5 seconds until the LED light is slowly blinking amber and green. Okay. Next, connect to MSG100. This may take a few seconds. Successfully connected. Rename your device. Join your home Wi-Fi. You need to type in your password. So the customer is off tracking down the password to the Wi-Fi. The thing that I see as our a holdup or a possible problem is this rat's nest of wires. No, it's going to be where to mount this. This gets mounted to your house. This one mounts to your garage door so that when they come down in the vicinity of each other, sends a signal to this thing up here without it getting ripped off or getting caught on cables and things like that. Okay, apparently has worked. We think the problem was the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal was too crowded. So we're going to go to installation. Oh, let's get started. Now we can actually get started. You're going to need a screwdriver, some tape, and a rickety old ladder. getting a notification from the peanut gallery over here. What? I don't know if we're going to get to use your phone. For testing purposes, we're going to just set this up on the table and get everything working and test it out, and then we'll figure out how to mount this. But it has to be plugged in to work. So that's the next screen on the instructions. Plugged in. Sensor notification. Move sensors together about 1/4 inch to 1 inch parallel or apart. See if I got this hooked up right. Okay, it says garage door is open. Closing the garage door. Now when this magnet gets close, well, the garage door is automatically going to stop. This here sends a signal up there, sends a signal to your phone, says garage door was closed. So we're going to try to button this up, put this sensor somewhere that doesn't get ripped off. It's got another notification, and I'll show you what that looks like. It mounted. Yeah, I was thinking going right through this to get it completely away from this. You've been watching too many of my videos. There's a close-up. There's your signal wires. These two right here come from there. And the customer took on the routing of the wire. Over to here, through there, across there, over there, down to the sensor. And that sensor is just to tell you if the door is open or closed. What do you think? Should I get all my customers to do the work for me? I don't think it's going to work like that all the time. You probably know that this is a subscriber that's now a friend. We're just here watching the Super Bowl, and we decided to install this smart garage door opener. There are different ways to use your Google Home and your Amazon Alexa to open and close it. I think you can talk to your phone and say, open my garage door. But leave a comment below what you think about smart homes and everything being controlled just by saying, open my garage door, or being controlled through Wi-Fi. Goodbye.
Hit that like button! Woo! Woo! Smash it! Hammer that like button! I'll teach you how to use a goddamn pencil in the next video! Woo! Can't do that.